Released in 2016, the Samsung Galaxy Watch S3 was a major leap in smartwatch design. In a world that runs on time and technology, even the smallest devices make the biggest difference. Today, we're diving deep into one of Samsung's timeless masterpieces, the Galaxy Watch S3. It's time for a replacement. Before you start, make sure you have the right tools: a precision screwdriver, a soft PRY tool, a set of tweezers, and of course, your new Samsung-compatible battery. Power off your watch completely. Place it face down. This is delicate work. Patience is your best tool here. Begin by unscrewing the 4 small back screws. Gently lift the rear case using a pry tool. Don't force it. Inside, you'll notice the rubber seal. That's the waterproof gasket. Carefully detach it and set it aside. And plug the heart rate sensor cable and battery connector using your tweezers. This step requires a steady hand. Sleek, powerful, and packed with innovation. It's more than just a watch, it's a statement on your wrist. But just like every piece of tech brilliance, it needs care. So today, I'll walk you through how to safely replace the Samsung S3 South battery while taking a closer look at the amazing technology that makes this watch tick. Inside Samsung's production lines, precision and automation define every step. If your S3 no longer holds a charge or shuts off unexpectedly, slip could damage the internal flex cables. Now, remove the old battery. It's lightly glued in, so apply slow, even pressure to lift it out. Once removed, insert the new battery in the same orientation, making sure the connector aligns perfectly. Place the waterproof seal back into position. Each S3 watch goes through rigorous testing, from temperature and vibration resistance to drop impact trials. The lithium-ion battery is carefully calibrated to deliver maximum efficiency with minimal heat. It's enclosed within a sealed housing, built to resist moisture while staying ultralight. Even the smallest gasket or screw plays a role in protecting the internal circuit boards and sensors, including the barometer, heart rate sensor, and gyro. Now, let's get hands-on. Then carefully screw the back cover on. Power on your watch, and if all went well, the Samsung logo should appear within a few seconds. Let it charge fully before your first use to calibrate the new battery. Once charged, test all functions: heart rate, Bluetooth, GPS, and screen brightness to ensure everything's running smoothly. And there you have it, your Samsung Galaxy Watch S3, revived and ready for more adventures. It's amazing how a simple battery swap can breathe new life into a piece of cutting-edge engineering. Remember, technology like this is designed to last as long as you care for it. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Samsung smart innovation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech restoration stories.